Welcome again to the Options Exchange. Today we'll have a quick review of our week, our midweek, our trades that we did today. You're currently seeing our current profits and loss sheet where we sit at a win amount totaling $19,715 with one loss of $1,725. That's excluding our $5,700 initial investment. So this is what you're seeing is the $19,715 is pure profit minus commissions, of course. We are currently sitting at 13 wins. One loss with a 92.86% win ratio. With the average profit per trade, for every 200 trades of $93.21. And the average profit per day of $1,499.17. These are based on 200 trade calculation. Getting into the market. Today we had a good day with 2 winning trades. We alerted 2 alerts today, both profitable. And currently we're sitting on a downtrend channel, as you can see on the screen, with testing the upper mid bands of the trend line. On the 15 minutes, you can see a more clear picture as we come into a resistance zone of 47.40. The expectation is that the VIX is sitting on a resistance level of this upper band, or any rejection here would drive the S&P 500 higher, possibly to break this band or at least test it. We also have unfinished business here of 47.58, 57 area, which was a gap that was never filled. So look for a gap fill in that area. In the longer time frame on the daily chart, we are wanting what could possibly be 3 things. Either a cup and handle where the handle is still within the zone of being created. That is one pattern. The next pattern could be an inverse head and shoulder with the neckline at 4,800. Another possible pattern is that we are trading within a range and could be going sideways up and down until we break out or sell off. So these are the patterns we need to pay attention to and see which of these patterns will play out with the next few trading sessions. Looking at this 5-minute time frame, we also have to be paying attention to this trend line. This trend line is being created from this top range to the current trading area in which price is about to test the trend line. The area to watch is 47.42 and 47.50. If we test those area and fail, then expect a sell-off back down. Pay attention to the S1 pivot point at 47.47. In the 1-hour time frame, we have been following this blue trend line. Today, I went ahead and duplicated the blue trend line and moved it lower to see if there was any match to price. As you see on the chart, we had a bounce where the line meets price, and now we are testing the blue trend line. We need to be careful that this is not a break and retest of the blue trend line for further sell-off. We also need to watch this orange trend line to see this is not a bounce for sellers to sell of the orange trend line and continue towards lower lows. Overall, we need to pay attention to all these factors that will tell us where the next trade will be. We need to stay focused and wait for confirmation in order to make successful trades in the market. Overall, keep all these levels in mind when trading tomorrow, and remember, do not force the trade, let the market come to you. Thank you again for being part of the Options Exchange, and hope to see new members join our community where we strive for success from all our members. We will see you in the morning at 9:30 a.m. opening bell. Thank you for watching and good night.